8 Chinese police officers have started a joint patrol with their Croatian counterparts in major tourist spots in Zagreb. It is a part of the Safe Tourist Destination project which started in 2006, and since then it has seen many foreign police officers coming to Croatia every summer to deal with tourist-related cases with their local colleagues. The first joint patrol between China and Croatia took place in the summer of 2018. This year, the Chinese police officers will be patrolling in popular tourist spots of Dubrovnik, Plitvice Lakes National Park, Zadar, and Zagreb.
The first day we came here, we met 3 Chinese tourists. I feel we are very welcomed by them because they feel really safe when they saw the Chinese policemen in uniform.
According to the Croatian Ministry of Tourism, the sector saw almost the same number of foreign tourists in the first half of this year as in 2019.
I cannot tell who is native, who is tourist, because so many tourists from all over the world.
For Ante Maric, this is the 3rd year that he has patrolled together with colleagues from China.
So far so good. Za sada sve najbolje, jako su zadovoljni, jako su sretni i sigurnost hrvatskih gradova je, mogu reći, brend našeg turizma.
Croatian authorities say that safety is an important aspect of tourism, and a record number of 100 police officers from 18 countries and 20 police organizations participate in it.
We are just feel safer to travel here, and it's really interesting to know about this, and yeah, it's a good news for us.
In Sweden, where I'm from, there are a lot of respect for officers, and there is, well, I would feel safer because I can ask questions in my language, but also I know that they're on my side, so I'll be glad to see them.
As the 3rd joint police patrol between the two countries, the mission will last until mid-August.